Hello and welcome to this little video. Today we're going to have a look at constructing a special 60-30 triangle, or more precisely looking at working out the sides of a 60-30 triangle. These triangles are really useful if you're working out trigonometry for 60 degrees and 30 degrees without the use of a calculator. So we're going to dive straight in. As you can see, I've already drawn a triangle there and I've bisected it down the middle. Now this is an equilateral triangle, so all the angles and all the sides are the same. I'm just going to label this one up. Now we're going to mark it as 2 units per side. So we've got a 2 there, got a 2 there, and we've got a 2 there. Classic equilateral triangle. Now, being an equilateral triangle, that means that it is 180 degrees divided by 3 for each corner, which is 60 degrees. So we're going to mark one on down here. Now, this angle in the middle here is going to be a right angle, and that's because this line has been bisected, because that angle there has also been bisected. Now, because this angle has been bisected, where it would be 60 degrees all the way across, half of that is 30. So we've now constructed our 30-60 triangle. At the moment, we only have the hypotenuse marked on, which is here, and that's 2 units. But we can easily work out this one here. If this line here has been bisected and the whole lot is 2, then this section here is going to be 1. So that means we now just have to find this vertical line here. And to do that, we're actually going to use Pythagoras' theorem. So we write it out: a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is the hypotenuse. For our a, we're going to take the vertical line, which we don't know the value of, so we'll keep that as a squared. B will take us the bottom one. So 1 squared is 1 times 1, that's 1. And c squared, well, that's going to be 2 times 2, which is 4. Now I want to isolate the a squared there, so we're going to take the 1 from both sides, which is going to leave us with a squared on one side equals 3. We now want to find what a is. In order to do that, we need to get rid of the square. To do that, we're going to root both sides. So the root of a squared will give us a, and the root of 3, well, that's going to be root 3. So we can now pop that on our little diagram over here, root 3. So we've now got the sides for the 30-60 triangle. We've got 1, the hypotenuse is 2, and the longer of the 2 other sides is root 3. And now it's like that. We can use that to work out cos, sine and tan for 30 and 60. I hope that was helpful.